Hi guys, it's Margaret here. Um, you can probably tell I've got a cold by the sound of my blocked nose. Um, but Michaela came home with a cold last week, and as you know yourself, once a person comes with a cold, everybody in the whole family gets it. So I happen to be the first in the family, well, the second in the family to get it. Then Michaela was the first, but I'm the second to get it. I'm sure that other members of the family are going to get it now as well. Um, what I'm going to do for you today is I'm actually going to do Bob Marley's Don't Worry. Um, Thank you to Kelvin Acapaloo that got the song going in my head. I can't get it out of my head, so I said, right, okay, that's it. I'm going to do a karaoke version of it. So let's hope that it comes across. As I said, I've got a blocked nose. It's not easy to sing when you've got a black nose, but I'm going to try my best. So if I sound like a crow, but at least I'll join in the crow's chorus. So I'll just get this up here now and see if we can do it. Stop laughing, Michaela. It ain't my fault I sound like a crow. Shut up. Okay, here we go. I didn't laugh at you when you made a flipping one.
You did.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, I smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitching at my doorstep and singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I rose up this morning, I smiled with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I say now, don't worry about a thing, yeah, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I won't worry now, no, I won't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh yeah. Okay, that was the crow's chorus. So rate, comment and subscribe. So you know the drill. Let's just hope that you can all come together and give me songs that I can sing. Some of them hard songs. I want a challenge, and I know Michaela will give me a song that'll challenge me, as she always does. So please rate, subscribe, comment, and so talk to you later, and hopefully I'll make another video maybe tomorrow or whenever. Bye.
Bye for me too.
Michaela says goodbye.